The magnitude of students we've had that come in and are still working, actively working in the industry is incredible. Hi, I'm Alysse and I'm a trainer at VFA Learning for the Diploma of Remedial Massage. I love teaching here because I really care about my students. The transformation is incredible, the knowledge that they learn throughout the course, and by the end, their understanding of the conditions that we can treat and the magnitude of their knowledge is just incredible. It's a really fun course. It's great, it's hands-on, you make friends that you'll have for life, and you're learning such valuable skills that you can use in so many different aspects. The world's going in an alternative kind of natural health direction, and where massage is a huge part of that. To make that much difference in so many different lives, they're not just students that walk through the door now, they're people that we've just given them a career. Apply for the Diploma of Remedial Massage at VFA Learning for a rewarding number of career opportunities.